How to recover deleted contacts from Android mobile. Hello everyone, it's me Rock, and in this very video tutorial I will be teaching you how you can recover the deleted contacts from the Android mobile. If any day you would like to remove the recover deleted contacts from your Android mobile, you have to go to your settings on your device, and then after that you have to just scroll down. After scrolling down, you have to tap on the option of Google. After tapping on the option of Google here, now what you have to do is you have to set to the very account, Google account, from where you have deleted your very kind of contacts mistakenly. You can keep in mind that the very deleted contact can be fined till 30 days. Now here, after that, you can tap on your account, and then you have to go to the option of manage my account and go to the option of Google account here. After tapping on the option of managing Google account, now it will take you to an interface like this. You have to scroll to the option of people and sharing. After tapping on the option of people and sharing, you have to go to the option of contacts. After tapping on the option of contacts here, it will take you to the option of contacts in the very Google here. Now you have to go to the three lines here, and then here you have to go to the option of Bean. After tapping on the option of Bean, you can see the number of people that you have deleted. What you can do is you can just tap on the person like this, and then you can go to the option of recover, and this way the contacts that you deleted will be recovered. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.